In this video, we'll discuss 5 affordable kitchen gadgets from Amazon that are not only super useful, but also make cooking faster, easier, and a lot more fun. Whether you're a beginner or a home chef, these tools are total lifesavers. And yes, they're all budget-friendly and super practical, so you can upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. So let's check them out. Number 1. YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer. Crafted from premium materials with a sleek, modern design, this oil sprayer adds style to your kitchen. The wide opening allows for easy oil refills with zero spills, so you don't have to worry about messy drips. Made from thick, unbreakable, lead-free transparent glass, this premium 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser ensures both safety and durability. It features a built-in straw with a filter to remove impurities and a non-slip bottle design for a secure grip. Customize it your way with included stickers to label your oils. Press slowly for a precise, column-shaped direct spray, or press quickly for a wide, fan-shaped mist. The backflow hole design prevents leaks, making it perfect for sautéing, frying, grilling, or meal prep. This oil sprayer is a must-have kitchen gadget for effortless, healthy cooking. Number 2. Mueller Vegetable Chopper. Introducing the Mueller Vegetable Chopper. It comes with 9 ultra-sharp blades. Use the large blade for big vegetables like potatoes and enjoy fresh, perfect French fries at home, and the smaller blade for finely chopping veggies with ease. Effortlessly dice, slice, and chop without the hassle. It features multiple blade shapes for different types of vegetable cutting. Whether you're prepping fresh ingredients or meal prepping for the week, this kitchen essential saves you time and effort. Say goodbye to messy cutting boards. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen Frother. It makes rich, creamy froth in seconds. Designed for a comfortable grip with an easy-to-press button, this powerful handheld frother makes your coffee just the way you love it. But that's not all. It's perfect for whipping cream, blending protein shakes or electrolytes, mixing salad dressings, scrambling eggs, making matcha, and so much more. Elevate your drinks and recipes effortlessly. Get yours today. Number 4. Zulay Garlic Press Set. The premium garlic press, built to last with high-quality food-grade materials. The sturdy, ergonomic design makes it effortless to use, delivering quick results with minimal strain on your wrist and hands. Designed to extract maximum garlic with ease, so you get the most flavor with every press. Crush and mince garlic in a single move, yielding fresh, aromatic garlic pulp every time. Easy to clean and 100% dishwasher safe. Available in multiple styles and colors to match your kitchen. A simple yet powerful tool that gets the job done flawlessly. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. Just grill your food to perfection. No more guessing with this instant red meat thermometer. It's easy to read in any lighting condition, thanks to the bright digital screen. Packed with tons of handy features, this thermometer helps you prep your meal right and gives you accurate temperature data instantly on screen. It delivers precise temp readings within arm's reach, so you're always in control. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. These were the 5 affordable kitchen gadgets. All the product links are down in the description. Grab yours before they sell out. Which gadget was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.